So this is Wingstem, Verbicina alternifolia because the leaves are alternate, they're not opposite each other on a stem. Wingstem because, here actually, before I do that, it is a pollinator plant. You actually see there is a little anthus webworm moth in this particular one. But anyways, alternifolia because of the alternate leaves. Wingstem because it may be hard to see on this, because it does have wings, these extensions that flare out on either side, often with little white hairs in between. This is a neat little plant that's usually associated and forms large fields of it in full sun, often in moist areas, some light shade, but mostly prefers full sun. The flower head's very attractive to all sorts of pollinators. See right over here, there's actually some moths visiting over on these ones. Again, forms nice little patches, and when it does so, it can attract all sorts of different pollinators, such as sweat bee, wasp, and whatever. But if they pollinate, those little seed heads then are also a good alternate food for a variety of different things. Again, called wingstem, also something called yellow ironweed, although I don't really think it looks a lot like ironweed. To some people it apparently does. It is again a meadow plant. Lots of species feed on it, including silver checker spot, which feeds in big groups. So it's good that it grows in these big, huge colonies of it, because if it were not, then it would be easily stripped by some of these caterpillar species that feed on it. But again, a neat little meadow plant, wingstem, sometimes called wingstem sunflower, but not really a sunflower. Again, it is a Verbicina alternifolia, a plant of oftentimes big sunny areas, light shade, likes organic ground, has been cultivated for a variety of different reasons, with different showy flowers and so forth. Carefree for the most part, and again, a very tolerant and a neat little plant that you could find in large patches, oftentimes forming what appear to be huge swaths of color wherever it grows. Wingstem, Verbicina alternifolia.